The ecological threat isn't just about what's in space, it's about what we lose here on Earth.
Every collision creates thousands of new, untrackable projectiles, forming a dangerous veil above us.
I think the most dangerous part of any mission is the extravehicular activity.
All stations, confirm trajectory data on red tracks. We have T-minus 5 minutes to impact.
Proceed with the launch sequence.
The kinetic impaster array stabilizes the rotational drift, allowing the capture net to deploy without risking structural integrity. The debris capture model shows how the robotic arm can retrieve space junk.
It's adapting, learning from every simulation. We can prevent accidents before they even happen.
If we reach the critical density, a single collision could trigger a cascade. This chain reaction, the Kessler syndrome,
Is a scenario in which the density of objects in low Earth orbit is high enough that collisions between objects could cause a cascade.
The orbital harvester begins its approach, its arms extending to capture the target.
All teams, eyes on the primary screen. We have a critical conjunction alert on tracks 4 and 5. Prepare evasion protocols immediately.
Rerouting trajectory to avoid the debris field. Confirm new vector.
Vector confirmed, Doctor. Calculating burn time.
We're losing it.
Recalculate the thruster burn sequence now.
Okay, ISS is clear. We are go for re-entry. Telemetry stable on all counts. We have confirmation from the ground.
The current framework for orbital debris mitigation is insufficient for long-term sustainability. We must establish clear liabilities.
The challenge with international agreements is ensuring equitable responsibility.
The psychological strain of a spacewalk is unlike anything else. You are 1 millimeter of metal away from vacuum. And then there is the debris, that constant, invisible threat, moving fast enough to end you.
Status update on the European network.
We're seeing stabilization, Doctor.
When we talk about debris burnup, the immediate concern is the atmosphere. This model shows how re-entry fragments even ossipigillates. The potential long-term consequences of persistent atmospheric saturation are profound.
The simulations are promising, but the real test is seeing how it performs in a zero-gravity environment.
Traveled. By modulating the predictive cones, we can simulate the necessary evasive vector. The key is anticipating the unpredictable.
We're seeing a deviation from the projected path. Standard protocols may not be enough to counter this.
Attention all stations. Collision assessment is code red. We are tracking 2 high-probability objects. Execute evasive sequence alpha immediately.
The legal vacuum surrounding active debris removal creates significant political risks. No nation wants another.
The trajectory is decaying faster than modeled, Alara.
I see it, Eris. We need to initiate the burn sequence now, or we lose the window.
We're losing containment on the primary reactor.
What are our options, Doctor?
Adjust the avoidance burn sequence. I want a new solution set in 90 seconds. Monitor the propulsion systems closely. We are cutting this very close. We are go for launch.
Houston, we have visual on the target. Debris field is larger than anticipated.
The harvester arrays are stabilizing. We have achieved 100% synchronization with the orbital platform. Proceeding to phase 2 burn.
Okay, system diagnostics are complete. Let's run the simulation one more time before we proceed.
Mission accomplished. Great work, everyone.
Dr. Petrov, the Delta V is unstable. We're showing a trajectory deviation.
I see it, Alara. Reroute auxiliary power to the stabilization gyroscopes immediately.
Okay, copy that. Flight. All systems are go.
You know, everyone sees the rocket launch, they see the capsule land, but the real heroes are the teams on the ground, the engineers, the medical experts. Their planning, their redundancy checks, their commitment to safety, that's what truly makes space exploration possible and safe.
This successful international cooperative effort could set a precedent for future space debris treaties. Space is no longer distant. It is an extension of our world, and the same rules of physics apply whether we are on the ground or above it.
The orbital mechanics are in a constant state of flux, requiring our utmost attention.
The energy transfer ratio is insufficient for sustained orbit.
If we modulate the plasma conduits here, we might gain the necessary thrust vector.